channel. Today my watercolor lesson on how to paint a Christmas tree and a winter landscape with watercolor. Hope you will enjoy it and please watch my full video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and Merry Christmas. I already sketched the outline of the Christmas tree and some stone covered by snow in the foreground and a small cabin. I wet the paper with water and now I painting the sky with yellow color. I want the background a blur effect because it's a misty forest and snow falling, so I want the background totally blur. I using sap green and Verdian hue with Vansina and cobalt blue. I will lift the paper white of the Christmas tree, or you can say it's pine tree, and the cabin and the foreground snow. Now, and total background would be in wet. Background forest looking a foggy background. This is little dark. I will paint it again a extra layer because it would be little more dark. This color is same Verdian hue, Vansina and cobalt blue, and the background looking a misty effect. Now I split some water with finger. It will make a effect of snow falling. Now I am using cobalt blue for the snow shadow, the shadow on snow, very lightly. I am using handmade paper 220 GSM and the size 10 inch by 15 inch. For Christmas card you can use small card to paint it. It is very simple and easy painting for beginners. You can make easily a Christmas card with this paint and it's look very beautiful. I almost done the shadows on snow. No needed much shadows on snow because snow is totally white. Now I am start painting the Christmas tree or the pine tree. Basically maximum Christmas tree made by pine tree, so I am using Verdian hue, Persian blue and Vansina, little dark green, and I left some paper white to show the snow on the Christmas tree. Try to use multicolor like sap greens, Vansina for the color of leaves, and don't forget to left paper white continually, because more snow on the leaves look the Christmas tree more beautiful and interesting. I am Jayanta. I am from West Bengal, India, and I made different kinds of landscape painting and tutorial in my channel for beginners and advanced too. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me, and you can watch my all tutorial videos in my channel. After dry the first layer, you can see the background weather. This is the foggy weather and very atmospheric colored. The snowfall effect and the fog very beautifully. The Christmas tree almost complete. Now little dark leaf, the shadows on leaf. I'm doing some detailing on the leaves. Either the Christmas tree looks flat, so do it. Watercolor is very important medium for the beginners. Don't fear, just paint and feel the colors. Now I am painting the small cabin. It is wooden cabin, and I using Ardian wheat mixed with Bansana, and I left the paper white for the roof, because on the roof you can see the snow, so it looks white, and I did the shadows before. Now the stones, the dark where the stones where there is no snow, so the dark portion of the stone I painting the same Bansana and Persian blue. Do some shadows of the Christmas trees and some extra shadows on the snow. Do it dry brush technique. This is just a snow landscape also, and this topic is on only main theme is Christmas tree. Do a windows and some shadows and the wooden texture. This is very simple painting, nothing to do more. Doing some shadows or stones, etc. on the foreground, and the painting almost complete. Doing some grass on stone. Now I am splitting the white on this paper because the falling snow have to show. So I split not much bigger drop, just little drop, and it looks a snowfall, very beautiful. My painting almost complete. Hope you enjoy the painting, and beginners, please try it at home. It is very simple and easy. You can make a Christmas card very easily.